Craftsman tool at Ace Hardware, most made in USA. This is Ron Groves from Ron's Beers and Tools. I'm back from Lowe's and Ace Hardware. You can see the first thing here in front of you is topsoil. 2 of them from Lowe's. Let's see if we can get some prices on this. It's raining here today, so we'll try to do this quick. These are about $3.14 each. I then got some liquid wrench. They say this is the best. I saw a test on YouTube, and this come out the best. If I had the penetrate, that was $7.19. And then I needed some acetone. Doing some woodwork, cleaning off some wood, the old paint that's on that. And that was the, if I can find it on here. The acetone is $6.78. That acetone. And I got this. These are for instant lead test on the wood that I'm working with. And that test there is, I think, 3M. Oh, let me get a price. Lead check. $8.98 for that. $8.98. And a couple of these hangers, which are nice. The picture hangers. Couple of those. Oh, the grass seed. I got some grass seed. That's what. Some grass seed here. As you can see, that was $15.99 for the Scotch grass seed. All right, and that takes care of the Lowe's. And then I went to Ace Hardware. Ace Hardware, and they sent this in the mail, which was nice. Nice, they sent this in the mail. There's 2 $5 off gift cards in here. Good till the 13th of May. I used one of them, as you can see. Okay, and they always give this kind of advertisements. They got a nice toolbox, a nice Craftsman toolbox there. They sell Craftsman tools, and that's what I was going there originally for a circle saw blade, but I do want to pick up some Craftsman tools and hardware tools. First thing is, I go through these quite a bit. Craftsman picks, hook and pick set. I go through these quite a bit. That hook set, let's see what the price on that. Craftsman at Ace Hardware. That goes for $9.99 for for that set there. I got this level, but need another one. I have two, and I couldn't find one the other day. They got the magnet on it. It's a Craftsman. I think this was one that was made in USA. That's from the USA one. Yeah. Maybe not. No, made in China. This one's made in China. That one was the torpedo level was $7.59. Magnetic top. This one is made in USA. It's a pocket. I've been wanting one. Well, the ones that I do have, a few of them, they don't have the holder anymore for the pocket, that metal piece. So that one there was $5.99. $5.99 for the small screwdriver. And last but not least, I've been wanting to get these. These are a mini plier set. These are made in USA. These ones here. A mini plier set. I like these for fixing glasses and small things that I'm dealing with when I'm working on my woodworking or my paracords and so forth. And that mini set here, mini plier set, 3-piece, that one was $21.99 for that. And I used a $5 off on that. Level. It has aluminum on the top, and I'm assuming aluminum on the bottom. It's got a magnet for lightness, and it's nice having that truism. The plastic true plastic, going back and forth, will wear down over time, and I like the metal of the aluminum. It's a Chinese, made in China, this one here, but I like them. Like I say, I use these a lot. I use these magnetic torpedoes a lot. It's raining today. Looking at the weather forecast of yesterday or the day before. It's been raining all day yesterday. I don't know if it was the day before. It showed rain coming on the weather forecast in the green, coming from in the New England to the New England area. It was coming out of New York, southern New York, into western Connecticut, and it was coming up to Massachusetts. When rain was going easterly, so it hit Boston area, and going up to New Hampshire and Maine, then out to the ocean. But we're still getting the rain now. Not hard, but enough to know that it's raining. Okay, I'll finish this up so I can have a nice cold beer. My lunch today. I always throw these flyers in. They got DeWalt tools there. They got Stanley. They got Craftsman, and plus their own brand that they have. Okay, with that said, that was the trip for the day. Ace is the place, the helpful place. Ace, the helpful place. All right. So, with that said, this is the trip today. Sorry for the bouncing around, but this is all the stuff that I picked up today. I went over my budget for the week, and my wife isn't going to like that. My loving wife, I should say. So, for a couple of weeks, I won't be getting tools. All right, no more tool haul. So this is the tool haul from Ace and Lowe's.